Hi, I'm Camden, and I'm going to tell you how electricity works today.
Great.
When you take a battery out, here I'll show you what happens. It stops. When you put it back in, it keeps going, and sometimes it moves, so I have to put it back in place. And you have to take this to turn it off, and when you do this, it's like, I can't go anywhere.
So tell me about the battery, Camden. What's the battery?
The battery is like a little box of electricity, and when the thing is turned off, the electricity doesn't have any place to go. Garrett, stop it. Garrett,
What?
will you just let me do it?
Garrett, come here. Come sit with Mommy and watch.
Oh.
Watch Cammy build it back.
And this is how we built it. Here, I'll just take it all apart.
You can show us how to build it?
Yeah, so first what we do
Watch, Garrett.
is...
Don't touch.
Garrett, what in the heck are you doing?
Be nice, Cam.
Garrett, will you please back up? No.
If you can't listen to words, you'll need to take a break.
Do.
Okay, you turn on your Woody and watch Woody while Cammy does this.
We push this, we just push that on. You push it on as hard as you can. Sorry, that's Garrett's movie.
That's okay.
Oops. And last, you get these two yellow parts on. Oh, dang it. I'll just fix that in a minute.
Yeah, it might be easier to do the batteries first.
What about Woody?
Watch this.
Don't forget the fan blade.
It's just funny.
So I still want to hear how you explain how the electricity works. So the batteries are like
A little box full of electricity.
with nowhere to go, huh?
Yeah, and nowhere to go. And when we turn the switch on, it goes through here, and then to there, and then it goes around.
What happens if you turn the switch off? Where does the electricity go?
It goes back in there. Garrett, Garrett, stop! And if we do this when we turn it on, and if we do this, it's like stuck right here, and it's like, where can I go? I have nowhere. And then watch this. When we put this back on,
You lose your connection. There you go.
and then it's good. And but then you can do that. But watch that. When you just put it halfway in, it can still go.
So what are the 3 different ways you can interrupt the electricity?
The 3 ways you can interrupt it. Garrett,
Besides your little brother being a pest.
The first way you can interrupt the electricity is turning the switch off. And the second way, hey.
It looks like you might be losing some of your connections. Might need to push them down a little bit. Wow, it goes faster when you push down.
Yeah.
You've got a good connection, huh? Why do you think it goes faster?
Because it's connected good.
So then it flows better when it's got a good connection, huh?
Hold on, I'm going to take this apart
Okay.
so I can make this flat again. And then you
Ooh, I smell that motor. Do you smell it?
Yeah.
It's kind of working hard, huh? So what are you doing now?
I'm taking it apart.
Oh, okay.
Like a faucet.
Okay.
A faucet carries water. Not like a battery carries electricity, but when you have this sink off, and pretend like this on a sink.
Okay.
When I have this off, there's no water coming out of my mouth. Pretend like the tongue is the water.
Okay.
And when I turn this hand,
Oh, you turned it on, so now the water can flow? Okay. Gotcha. We can see water, right?
yeah,
Can we see electricity?
yes,
We can?
no.
No.
That's
We
just
can
the
see what electricity does, right? But we can't see the electricity itself. It's
This is just how we're gonna build this thing. It's just like the faucet. So
Okay.
first I'm gonna push this on.
what is that?
This is the little fan thing, like a fan on the roof.
Yep. The bottom is the motor. Did you know that?
The bottom is the motor right here.
Yeah.
And you can smell the stink.
Yeah. The motor, once it gets going, it has a little bit of a stink.
Pretend like this is the ceiling. Watch, I can't turn it on, but I can use it with my finger, but it doesn't go.
Okay.
But pretend like this is the ceiling. They're putting the ceiling together. The
Okay.
builderman. You can push that on lightly, but and then the last piece is
No. I have a kid. You have a kid.
oh whoa.
Oops, you had the switch on. Better turn it off. The one thing you always want to check is make sure things are off while you're building them. Turn them on when you're ready.
Who wants to join me is welcome.
Got it?
Oh come on.
Ready to switch on? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch on.
But when you turn the switch off,
You're interrupting something, aren't
you're
you?
interrupting the fan's power.
Yeah.
And when you turn it on, hey,
You must have some loose connections there. You can try pushing them tight. Wow, there you go. Awesome.
but that stops it. And you gotta be careful when your fingers by or else it'll hit you. And the last way to interrupt it is you can take a battery out.
Yeah. No battery means no electricity, huh?
Yeah. But there we go. Let's make it tighter so I can go faster. Woo! That's all for now. Bye.
Bye.